Hi, I'm Mark from FCAR USA. Today we are featuring our F7SN. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing here. First thing we'll take out is the head unit. If you notice, this is a rugged cased Android tablet. I'm going to just set that down for now. The next thing we're going to do is open up this compartment here, and we are going to take out the main cable. Okay, we'll just place that here. This has the OBD2 connector already on it, and we will connect that to the VCI next, which is the vehicle control interface, which is in the compartment just below where the tablet was. Go ahead and remove this, and we are going to go ahead and assemble this because there's no reason to keep taking this apart. Once you have it together, you can just leave these two together. All right, we'll just set that down for now. And then we also have your 9-pin connector. This is old style for the black plugs and for the new green style plugs. And then we also have your 6-pin connector. There is one other connector in this case. It's a self-diagnostic cable that is used for diagnosing the main cable for shorts or anything else. We also have the main power supply for the unit, which will come with plugs for every country out there. We'll go ahead and locate the one for the United States, and we'll simply turn that around and put that on there. Now this is used for both charging the tablet and in case you ever need to power up the VCI independently, there's a little wire here that this can be plugged into as well. And then also in the case, you have a cigarette lighter adapter which can be plugged in case you're in a truck or a car and the battery goes dead, that can power it up. Also, they give you a pair of alligator clips which can be connected to the battery with a female cigarette lighter end, as well as a USB cable if you ever needed to hardwire the VCI rather than use it wirelessly.